Okay, so just up in your roof, and the first thing I notice is I've put the hose around, and see, you can see here, this dust here is just sitting on the ceiling. That's it. That's never been wet. If it had been wet, that dust would have little watermarks in it, and look like it had been wet, like this little bit over here. You see how that's a little bit lighter there? There's been some water on there, which is a bit more common, right, in a tile roof, because you will get some drips come in. But let me just crawl through the roof to where that roof leak is in your bedroom, and that leak is underneath this valley here. I'll just go through another one. It's a bit warm up in here. Alright, so now, so that's got leaves and stuff there, but it's obviously had water there and that, right? So I don't know whether you can see that, but yeah, that plaster's damaged, and it's obviously had water pooling here, and that would have been directly below this valley here. So when you get leaves in your valley here, they block up and the water will overflow out of the valleys. Now that would have probably been fixed a long while ago, so I don't imagine that that's any issue at all now. So I think you probably just fix the stain by putting some stain stopper on it, because your valley looks nice and clean at the moment. And it doesn't look, sometimes they'll be really rusty, and yours doesn't look rusty either. So I don't think that's leaking now, but probably the easiest thing to do is to jump up here when it's pouring rain one day and just put your head up. See, that's the manhole over there, so you can see right to here where the leak was at one stage. So just put your head up there and you'll be able to tell. Now if I go through here a little bit more, over in there is where you were saying the other leak was, and I didn't find any broken tiles above there, so I'll just keep an eye out to see where a leak might be coming in over there. But it's definitely not tile clips that are leaking, but I'll have a good look. Alright.